Hello, welcome to this channel Gain Java Knowledge, and today in this video we are going to learn how to print numbers 1 to 5 and letters A to E in a synchronized manner alternately using inter-thread communication. So let's start to write the code. So here I have created one class that is print test. So this class will contain the logic for synchronized numbers and letters. So let me create here one object. So that will be private final object. So we can give any name. Log is equal to new object. So this is a shared object that we will use to synchronize. And here I will create one indicator, private boolean. We can give any name, number turn. So by default its value will be true. It is a turn indicator that will tell to which thread need to execute. So here let me define main method, public static void main public static void main. So this is the main method that will start of execution when I will run this application. So inside this method first I will create the instance of this class, so print test, and here I will give the name printer is equal to new print test. So after creating the instance I will create two threads. So before creating two threads, first I will create two methods. So first will be public void print numbers, and it will be empty implementation, and here I will create one more method that is public void print letters. So one thread will print the numbers and another thread will print the letters. Now after defining two methods, here I will create the two threads. So first thread number thread is equal to new thread, and here I will just call printer dot print numbers. Now in the next line I will create another thread to print the letters. This thread will print the numbers and second thread will print the letters, so its name will be letter thread. So here I will call function print letters. So here I have created two threads. Now I will run and start both threads. So first I will call number thread dot start function. So this will start the thread number thread, and the second thread name is letter thread dot start. So it will start the second thread. Now we need to write the logic to print the numbers and letters using inter-thread communication. Here I just want to print number from 1 to 5. So here I will use for loop, and it will start int I is equal to 1 and goes up to less than equal to 5 I plus plus. So this loop will execute and 5 times 1 to 5. But we want to print numbers alternatively. First it will print number 1 and second it will print letter A. So here I will also write same logic, but this loop will print character A to E. So here I will use char C, or we can give any name. So it will start from A and it will goes to E. So we are printing 5 letters, C plus plus. So in the character we want to print letters from A to E and numbers from 1 to 5 alternatively, like 1 then A, sec 2 then B, 3 then C. Like this we want to print. So here I will use synchronized loop. So it will loop all the object, and inside this synchronized block here I will use while loop, and we'll check the number turn indicator that we have defined above, number turn. So let me copy this number turn indicator. If it is false, then it will print the number. So here I will use try block, and inside try block I will use loop dot wait method. So it will wait until its threads turn, and here we need to use catch block, and inside catch block I will just handle the exception, interrupted exception E. So here I will just call thread dot interrupt function, thread dot current thread I will get from here, and after that I will call interrupt. So it will stop the execution of thread if it will go through catch block. And inside while loop we need to print system dot out dot println. So here I will just print I and space, and once it will print, then I will switch the number turn to false. Then it will stop because this condition will not execute, and it will goes to another thread, and here I will notify to another thread. Now you can start execute. So here I will call notify all methods. So notify all method is used to wake up other threads. From here we can copy the same logic that we have used here from synchronized block. We can copy it from here, and we can paste same logic inside this for loop. But here what we need to do, here it will check if number turn is true, and here it will make it is true, and here we will just print the character. So like this is our all code implementation that we are going to use for inter-thread communication. So here we can see, here we are using for loop to print the numbers from 1 to 5. Then we are using synchronized loop method, synchronized block to acquire the loop on object. And then after that we are using while not number turn to check if it's number thread turn. If it's not number thread turn, then we are going to call log dot wait method. Then we are printing numbers and setting the number turn is false, so the later thread can proceed. And after that we are calling log.notify all method to wake up the later threads that we have created below. This function will start. So let me run this application and we'll check the output. So here we can see it's not printing anything. So let me check. So here we can see, here we have started a while loop, but we have not closed this loop. So let me close it here. So after that it will print the letters. So like this same change we need to do in the same. print letters function. So while loop should be closed here. So before printing the characters, so like this we need to do. So let me rerun this program. So now let me check the output. So here we can see it's printing 1A, 2B, 3C, 4D and 5E in a sequence, and we can change from here. If I will remove println, we'll just call the print method, so it will print in a sequence. So let me remove it and rerun this application again, so it will print the output in a single line. So here we can see 1A, 2B, 3C, 4D, 5E. So threads are printing letters and number in alternatively in a sequence. So like this we can perform inter-thread communication. Okay, thanks for watching this video.